see, Dabolim has always made waves in different ways, in different spheres, be it in development, be it in cultural activities, be it in protecting environment, doing real development, doing things what the people like. And as you know, Joggers Park at Chikalim is an iconic park. No such park is there in any panchayat area in the entire country. And as such, very good events, fantastic events have taken place here. Whether it is the Dandiya and Garba dance, whether it is Holi celebrations here, whether it is classic and vintage car rally what we have every time emanating from here. And now we have for the last 3 days, I will say, because yesterday was a washout because of the rains which we have no control. We are continuing today celebrating this park in a different way by having the Dabolim musical waves. Thanks to the tourism department, thanks to the Honorable Minister for Tourism and the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for making this happen here, and all the tourism officials as well. Each one of them have contributed in a very big way, collaborating with our people and brought out this awesome event here. And it's going to be an annual event now. It's already there on the tourism calendar. As Sanman was telling me, Sanman and Aryan, they have taken keen interest along with all their colleagues to see that this event really curates into something where people will like the show. On the first day we had Abang Repost. We have 7 notes today. We have a beautiful fashion show, and most important in that is our own women, our own girls from Dabolim constituency, that is the local talent, will be participating. So that's the highlight. Then you have performances of various types, of various hues and guys taking place here, which is very, very entertaining. Yesterday was one of the most, one of the biggest crowds yesterday and day before. But came the rains which we have no control, and we lost that opportunity. Today also people are still coming. It is equally packed. It shows the enthusiasm. And you know, in summer, Goans like to enjoy. They like to go out, they like to listen to good music, have good shows depicting local culture, blending with what we get from outside. And we Goans have got music in our heart. We got music in our veins. So automatically it manifests through such festival. So I once again compliment the tourism department for making this happen, and I'm sure it will grow from strength to strength every year. It will be better and better shows.
Subscribe to Prime TV and follow all our social networking sites.